It is quick and easy to connect your EA account to your PSN or Xbox. In this video, I'll show you how to link your account so you can start playing EA games on your console. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to get started on the fun. First of all, open up any web browser that you like, and then go to ea.com. Once you are on this site, at the top right corner of the screen, you will see these three buttons. So what you want to do is, instead of clicking on the profile icon, click on this question mark over here. Once you click that question mark, you will get this drop-down menu. So you actually don't have to click on any of these options. Instead, click on EA Help. And it will load up this page. So what you want to do now is simply click on Login. And now you have all of these options to log in. For example, you can use Google, Facebook, Apple, Steam, and, most importantly, Xbox and PSN. So now go ahead and select which console you have. I'm simply going to select PlayStation, and it will show me this little pop-up. And all I have to do now is log into my PSN account, and I should be good to go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.